can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. Blow it up.
Hello, friends.
Yeah, baby.
Friends. Testing 1 2 1 2. Alrighty.
Sheesh. Chad, hope you guys are doing well, baby. It is another Wall Street session. Market's coming alive, and I think there's going to be quite a bit on the table today. Yesterday was quite aggressive, but sure, things just not going to plan. I think a lot of the moves we wanted happening literally as we decided to walk out the door, and that's just part of it. But let's see if we can get to today. Chris, how are you feeling ahead of today's sessions, bro?
You can see from my air, markets have disrupted. The markets this week have been disruptive. I'm still down 1 hour on the week. Just that loss from this morning, Chad, but we'll speak about it. Trade did work out. I said I'm not shorting it, but anyways, NFP week to be expected. But I'm feeling good, Keeks. You feeling all right?
Nah, feeling good, feeling good.
That's good.
We're going to lock in for it yet today, guys. But we were a little bit late, so we're going to get the ball rolling. As always, Chris, you're going to open us up with the prayer, brother.
I will. Chad, let's get ready for the prayer. Bible says there's a very simple prayer you can pray every single day. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. And if you believe it, you can drop an amen right now.
Amen. There we have it, ladies and gents.
Nazam receiving the merch.
Sheesh.
Let's go, Nazam.
There's our bro, teaches the merch next level. Thank you guys. Received our merch. Oh, bro, I'm so glad you guys love it. I think, again, we don't want to just be those people. But as we said, we know it took a little bit long. There were the things we had to sort out when doing this. But we did want to really deliver a quality product to you guys. So very happy that you guys are liking it. A few other guys should also be getting their stuff very, very soon.
Stefan, where's Stefan?
Yeah, Stefan,
Courier guy tried to get all of you to deliver your merch. Couldn't get all of you. Stefan, where's Stefan?
Yeah, well, while we look for Stefan, guys, we're going to carry on so long, so we don't have time. Start us off with the fundamental chat. So looking at very, very simply, we had the AFD non-farm employment change coming out quite higher than what they forecasted. A little bit of a higher than the previous, but a lot higher than what they forecasted. So seeing that dollar strength come back a little bit over there. And then coming over here now, 445 final services PMI, and then ISM services PMI. So these are going to be the bad boys that are going to cause a little bit of trouble here today. So literally, we're going to be on the back end of this. And then just as the session starts, we're going to be warming ourselves up with that. And then the main event, 5 o'clock. So I think we're going to get some big moves there today. Going to definitely be an interesting one. When we do just look at very quickly, they are expecting almost flat numbers or a slight increase. So we're going to see what happens there. Stefan Powell, I'm here, guys. Hey, Stefan. All right. So as Chris was saying, the courier guy did get back to us. They said they did try to contact you. They tried to do the delivery today, but no one got answered them. So they'll obviously probably just try again tomorrow. But yeah, just a heads up on that. But let's go over to the chat, guys. Let's see what's happening. Markets DXY. Now, very, very interesting one. Remember, we spoke about this. This for me was the area we wanted to talk about. Was after this monthly pivot test, and once we came back down here. So I am going to go neutral. That was what I said to you guys is always going to be the plan. We were going to react off of this. I'm not going to say I'm bullish or bearish purely because I want to see now what's going to happen. Are we going to go for these lows and come back down here? Keep in mind, we did say the yearly pivot's down here and there still is no test on it. So we could always be going short-term bearish for now, for later on the big move to the top side, right? So just keeping that one in mind. That's why we are staying neutral. Received another mail that it was delivered, but thanks. Oh, okay, cool. Then maybe they did get it through to you. That's awesome, bro. So that's perfect. Then yeah, as I said, DXY, we're going to stay neutral there. When we look at again Asia highs, there was a bit of a range start in the morning off, then the break underneath, holding previous day lows, Asia lows going bearish. We at the weekliest one. I think this is basically going to hold around here. If anything, because we're so close, if those numbers do come out as they thinking a little bit higher, I think we are going to see this come down. That previous weekly low, we are very close to it, so that can become a nice target for us. Over to NASDAQ, again, we are pretty much still bullish, but now this is where it gets interesting. We had this level of resistance over there. We tapped into it yesterday and holding very, very nicely, coming back down to the monthly pivot. So what's going to happen here, guys? Are we going to see basically the pullback, finding support here at the EQ and trading back up? We can see Asia highs untested, or do we fail and is this the break and are we going to go back under the monthly pivot? Again, getting quite interesting. This is, as you say, an NFP week. Anything's happened. Lots more weirder things than this have happened. So going to be an interesting one. But when we look at Asia lows, Asia highs, the sweep, holding underneath, there was your EQ. And then the play back to Asia lows, Asia highs untested. So could that be the play over there? But again, if this for me naturally gets underneath this daily, even the EQ, I would suggest probably going bearish on that. USD. Really making some moves here. I said to you guys very simply, for me, I was going to go bearish on this thing, and quite frankly this is still looking there, but we are literally just closing on these levels, not really moving. So I'm going to stay with that neutral outlook. As we can see, the monthly pivot all the way underneath us still. We traded here, we tried going on all-time highs, massive rejection, gap down, closed back up into that previous all-time level, and we are holding here. We are not getting away from it. And that's why I'm saying, could this still be that fake out? When we look here, we are trying to break back up. If we can find support at these Asia highs, 100% I think we can get that move back to previous daily high. But when we start looking here in the lower time frames, again, same thing. This is the NASDAQ play. So Asia highs, Asia lows, the fake out. There was your EQ breaking back in. You would have taken a break even when it came back here. But then back above again, and there you finally got those Asia highs. Now, the thing for me is now that you have those Asia highs, this thing really can go neutral. If it holds the support area, I think the big moves come in previous daily highs and even more. Otherwise, if we get back under this level, I think those sells are on similar to NASDAQ. Then lastly, with gold, guys, I can't say gold's bearish. I mean, this thing is just ripping every single day. It's very dangerous for me. I honestly, as much as, yes, you can try and catch the moves here, I personally, I'm not touching it because they have their moves early in the morning. By the time they got here, off my rules, this thing's already most of the time moved more than gold's average for a day. Meaning, I'm more likely, if I take a trade, I'm going to get caught in some ranges now. So when we look here, obviously trade into, I think it's the monthly R1. Now again, weekly R2 and monthly R1. We are starting to find, if you see the test, the whole big break back, holding back under the daily R2, pushing back. So if anything, maybe a slight pullback, Asia highs, even previous daily highs, then that continuation moves to the top side. Otherwise, literally, even only under Asia lows, this thing close to that weekly R1, maybe a potential sell-off. Not going to say the market's bearish, but just a little bit of a pullback. But again, seeing moves like this already going into the session, I'm just not going to touch that. So yeah, that's everything from me, guys. Chris, over to you, brother.
Alrighty, Keegs. Let me just get you. Oh shit, crowd going crazy. Keegs. Incredible. Alrighty, Chad. For the guys that missed this morning's session, you missed a good one. DXY on the daily, we were bearish, purely expecting price to go and fill out this range. We spoke about the two ranges that we are currently in. This was one of them, so I do still expect a little bit lower. Otherwise, looking on the lower time frames, If we start holding above this daily S1, I do think we can get some type of pullback. Otherwise, this little green zone and then daily S2 after that. US 30 on the daily, bullish. I told you guys I am neutral to bullish with the idea that if we can hold above this green zone, that we can start moving into the secondary zone. And then ultimately, once we get above this previous daily high, then this is going to be our final boss before all-time highs again. That little zone there, that is where we want to be trading in. Look here on the lower time frames this morning. We actually did try and get long on this on the lower time frames. Around about that level, pushed up a little bit. That green zone was the area of concern to get through. Completely turned around, took the lows again, then closing back above that 200. Right idea, a little bit of a deeper pullback, a little bit of a sweep to the downside. Personally, for me, I'm still bullish. The fact that we're holding the daily pivot, I do expect us to actually go to this previous daily high, that green zone there. So I'm going to try and execute off these Asia high levels, because that is now the level that I want to get away from, and then try and see if I can trade this into the previous daily high, ultimately daily R1. Not bearish as of yet, but if we do start trading back in the Asia range, I do think the day is going to be relatively chalked. Nasdaq on the daily, we spoke about it this morning. I'm expecting a big volume day. Why do I expect a big volume day? Can anyone in the chat let me know? We've got 5 minutes left. Why do I expect a big volume day after a candle closure like this? I'm going to give it a second or two. Nobody, any takers? Weak doji candle. No, we can see it's a weak doji candle, but why do I expect volume? I'm going to give it, let's say, 20 more seconds. Expecting, okay. All right, Chad. Whenever you've got a flat body candle like that, that's almost a compression of volume. So what it basically means is there was a high, a big low, price traded very close to the open, and what's going to happen today, that compressed volume in that tight little daily range with the body, the open and the close, is going to actually result in an expansion move. So either up or down. We just need to figure that out. And if you go back on your chart, this is actually a concept that Larry Williams has taught in one of his books, is that when you have a small ranging day, you expect a big range day after that. All right, so lower time frame showing me that we are holding the EQ, we're holding above the daily pivot, we're holding that 200 EMA, just for the reason that we missed US 30, or we didn't miss it, we got clapped, annihilated. I will potentially look for a trade something like this. All right, guys, that is what I'm looking at. We already had one rejection there from the Asia lows. Nice continuation down. Now we're back here. So if we start trading back inside, yeah, I'm absolutely 100% going to go long. And with that being said, these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. You will absolutely 100% lose all of your money if you try and follow what we do here. So do not follow a single thing, please, guys. Gold on the daily, we spoke about it. We're still bullish. There's nothing indicating any bearishness for me. We spoke about that potential long into daily R2, currently rejecting it, now holding 2860. I might look for a potential short if we reject here, guys. I'm going to be very honest with you, just as a little bit of a pullback play. Otherwise, I will be looking for longs potentially above the daily R2, or even potential shorts from the daily R2, all right? Other than that, it's still super bullish. Any shorts are going to be very, very short-lived. Okay, so GU, we've got 1.5 minutes left. GU on the daily, we are bullish. We spoke about that closure back inside the range. This previous daily high where we took our longs from, a little bit of an intermediate little resistance level looking left. But ultimately, I do expect if we stay above that level that we can go to 125.81. Keeks is the horn so long. 1 minute. So everything is still looking bullish while we're trading above the previous daily high. Our longs were taken this morning on the flip of that candle. Daily R1 currently rejecting, so if we start trading back below into the Asia range, I might consider short. But ultimately, I want to see if we can hold above this zone right here, daily R1, and then I'm going to look for further long continuations. Also, it is no surprise that price reversed exactly on 1,255. That is a half round number from 1,2500 to 1,255. So we're going to see what we do between these two ranges. And then last one, 30 seconds. Then Keeks, you can just open up when you're ready. GJ looking still bearish, rejecting that previous little support area there, trading below the previous daily low. And I do expect us to potentially go down if we stay below the previous daily low. All of this, remember what I told you guys, this was an expansion move, if you don't know. Keeks 5, 3,
All right,
2,
and that's it.
1.
Markets open. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Okay. So remember what I said this morning is that we can expect a corrective move during London, after an expansion during Asia, and then during NYSE, we're going to expect another move down. So while we hold below here, I'm going to be bearish, and I'm just waiting for a move below 191.50, and then these lows I will target here. All right, so those lows will be targeted. Only way I can get bullish is somewhere above there, 192. Anything below 192, not interested in anything long. But yeah, so I'm waiting here for a minor structure break. Let's check the 30, another rejection there. I might even take this on the break here. Skeeks, I'm just gonna screen here. Just thinking, yeah, Chad, if I'm not too late, shit. I might be too late, Chad. I'm considering breaks of these low. Oh, too late. Okay, too late. Shit. Okay, too late, guys. Terminal only open up now. Idea was this, a little bit aggressive here. Maybe if it comes back, no. Sells from there, looking at we've already, this previous 30 took out that high, rejected the previous daily low, rejected that zone. This is the 50, and then I would have gone break even here. But I missed it. Your break-even level there, how many pips is that? Yeah, that's around about 10. I'm not in a chat. That's the idea I shared. I don't know who took it. You shouldn't have taken it, but drop a one in the chat if you did take it. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Sorry, kids. Anyways, okay, that's where you can go break even. Minor little support area there. I'll wait and see. Maybe we get a break below retest there on the 50. Okay, Mr. Nobody was awake and ready. See what the cracker wants to do, Kigo.
Yeah, bro.
I'll just keep it on your screen. I think it's too late to enter.
I don't think so.
You know.
Yeah, bro.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies.
Well played, well played.
Cause I can fly. I can fly. I can fly.
26 minutes.
I can fly.
Are you in?
Yo. No, not yet. Yes, bro. No, I can close the charts now. GJ would have been class. Okay, but it's not done yet, Chad. Let's see if we get maybe a little support here, a retest of that 191.50. Chad, yo, I'm gonna rip her Nas long. If we can close here. Next 5 minutes, holding Asia lows, holding that 200. Little minor break of structure. I just want to see a confirm hold here. How many pips is this? 28. 3 minutes. Technically, it's already valid, breaking this bearish high there, but I just want to see a confirm after yesterday. Whew. Too slow on it. Kigo, that's done, eh?
Yeah, bro.
One and done. Oh, break even now, eh?
Yeah.
Not TP yet, eh?
Just break even. All part of the game, bro. Part of the game.
Yeah, I'm gonna rip an ass, Chad. Stops are gonna be about, to be safe, I'm gonna say 45. Targeting Asia highs, which is about 65, so a little bit more than a 1-to-1. So just waiting here for this 1 minute 45. That's if she's gonna hold here, otherwise she's just gonna blast. That's TP. Surely that's TP.
It's a little bit short.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then you guys entered.
You know where we would have entered, bro.
I know, but so it pulled back when you entered.
Yeah.
Okay. This becomes a little spicy, yeah. Yes. That.
Did you not enter on this?
Bro, I gotta rethink. I gotta rethink my entries here on Naz.
I'm guessing you waited for a bottom week, but
No. I just literally waited for a minor break of structure, here. And that's the break of structure. that rocket. That's the break of structure there.
You can't help that one, bro.
Okay, come back a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. All of a sudden. Okay, Chad, if I get a little bottom wick. Okay, I ripped one, Chad. I'm long in as 45. Stop.
Bring that volume for us, Chris.
Chad. Ripped it there. 45 stop. Right there. Low hanging fruit, Asia highs, then ultimately previous daily high. So now it's basically just a 1-to-1. $55 TP. Alright, Chad. Idea here similar as yesterday. Closure back inside the Asia range. Daily pivot held. Daily EQ held. Asia lows out. Minor break of structure. Expecting price to push to Asia highs and follow suit with US 30. That is now broken outside of the Asia range. US 30 also, like I mentioned, potential setup here if we hold above Asia highs, and this can now push to previous daily high. I have to just kindly note that Nasdaq is weaker than US 30 today, so we are taking the weaker trade, but purely based off the idea that we still have this Asia high advantage point that we can trade into. All right, Keeks, do you want to tell the guys what happened on the cracker?
TP hits on the cracker, baby.
All right, there you go. You want to share it with the guys, or
Share it with them now, bro.
or is it a secret?
Just obviously letting all the members get their notifications there.
That was a clean cracker.
Yeah, a little bit of drawdown and then just pumped. Alright, that is there. Alright guys, so yeah, let's talk about it. So what did the cracker do? The cracker looked for the buys. So you can see before session, we obviously break above this area, buys below this area. There's your market open candle, so it broke underneath. We executed, we sat through some drawdown into this level of support, held, and then perfectly all the way at TP there. And you can look at that hitting TP just perfectly. So yeah, very, very nice trade here for us today.
Oh, did you execute there?
Bro, that's, you know the rules, that's where we
No, I know. I was. I'm just gonna mute here quick. Okay. All right, Chad. Nasdaq can Nasdaq can Nasdaq do something here for us? Let's check the 15. We've got composite PMIs, global services PMI and global composite PMI in literally 1 minute. It's level 2 data. This could hurt us a little bit, or this could really spike it in our favor. So let's see here. 3, 2, 1. Relatively muted reaction there. How did it come out?
Came out as
Expected.
which
Okay.
was a 0.1 higher, but yeah. We're gonna wait for that services ISM.
Chad, once we break these highs, I will go break even. In some circles, they call me break even Chris. But I guess a break even is better than a loss. No bottom wick on this candle. That's not ideal, but let's see. Let's give it a little bit of a chance, see if it can break that pre-market high. Well, that's actually the opening range high. Ooh. Okay, but let's think about it. This 15 has got no bottom wick. Chad, I'm just going to go break even. There's no bottom wick on this 15. So if it decides to break the low and basically flip bearish, I'll wait for secondary structure, because in literally 14 minutes time, we've got tier 3 data. So I'm break even on the trade. If it hits break even, that's fine with me. But no bottom wick, so I don't want to sit through any drawdown. All right, break even Chris just struck again, but we'll wait for a second entry. US 30 is also no bottom wick there.
Hi guys, on Vault Thunder, can you hold positions over weekends?
You can.
There you go, you can, my brother. Naz made me nod today, been waiting for those longs since London, but it ran away now. Stopped at B even on shorts. Oof.
Short? Damn. Break even Chris.
Oh, they coming for you again today, bro.
Who's that?
Your
Oh, my fanboy. Break even. My fangirl. Bro, that it actually warms my heart knowing that there's somebody that thinks about us every single day, Keith. That's what really, it warms up my heart knowing that when Plamena wakes up, she's like, yes, I have to just go into the chat and let the boys know I'm here. Plamena, it really makes us feel special. We do appreciate it. I'm still in Chris. No, well played, dude. Here's the thing. 100% can play, but also NFP week, similar to yesterday, that US 30, multiple jabs on the Asia low level.
that US 30 yesterday, bro. That was...
Sure, that was terrifying. So, no, it can definitely play, but yeah, I would say even though you're still in there, go break even, because if it's going to start struggling here, very likely you could see us actually trading back into Asia lows, testing Asia lows, and then after PMI come up, or it will just do the job now. Keeks, be honest, it does make you feel a little special knowing Flamengo
Yeah, bro.
thinks about us
Every day.
every day.
Rain, sunshine, hail.
Bright Projects, how's the game, my brother? There's GJ going for the guys that took GJ 1-1 there. I honestly think easy target 191. Like I said earlier this morning, this for me I see as liquidity. So low hanging fruit is round about the daily S1. That's 35 pips. Then greedy targets, I'm going to say, is 191. That's your greedy target down there. The idea is you should actually mirror what happened here. So you're going to get another nice impulse leg down. How greedy you want to be, that's up to you. If this is enough for you, 25, 35, 50, all up to you. Gold. Yeah, there. Chad, who's still trying to short gold?
That's some big dreams.
What's that?
Shorting gold.
They left the chat. Yes, Brian. But you know what's going to happen now is, Keeks, remember when all the influencers were like, gold, easy buys, easy buys.
Yeah.
And then when it's going to start reversing, they're going to keep trying to buy it. And the trend is going to... Why is gold going down?
They're going to get chowed. They said I must buy.
Oh, they left the chat, Chris. Not me. Gold is clapping me from left to right. Yeah, gold gets tricky at these levels. It's a little scary trading it up at these highs. How do you feel trading gold at these highs?
I'd say, bro, I don't like gold. I won't touch gold over there, bro.
Chad, yeah, here's the thing with gold now. Gold at these highs is almost like you pissed off your wife a little bit, and now you know any little thing you say could trigger. So every move you make, you're expecting you're going to get clapped or something. So gold is like that now. Every time you play with it a little bit, it's almost like a little wild animal that has been wounded. You're trying to like just maybe put a little plaster on there, but at any stage can this animal just strike back and just rip your entire counterpart. Just the margin flying everywhere. Hey Jared, well played, man. Well played. So think about it that way. Gold is a very sensitive, wild animal. Chad, GJ was the play. Beautiful, beautiful move here. Unfortunately, I was too slow to get to my terminal and open it up. A little bit of an impulse play because we didn't actually effectively close below the 50, but the idea here was this. Just want to show you guys what my idea was here. If you look at, let me just zoom in and only focus on this here. So if we go replay mode here, if you consider where's your range high and where's your range low, just looking at what's on screen, that's your range high. I want to see if you guys can see it there. So that is your range high, and this is your range low. So I had the idea that even if we can go bullish after taking all of these highs here, reversing, we might have a little bit of advantage to go and tap that level first, and that's why I said go break even there, because if we're going to go into extended consolidation, it will do something like this. So a little bit of a more aggressive play, but and then Nasdaq, not a bad break even. There's that 15 pullback now that I spoke about. So we'll see in the next 6 minutes. We've got PMIs.
PMIs is gonna be interesting, bro.
2 years. I honestly think we're gonna chop now for the rest of the day, Kicks.
Yeah, well, that's just it. When I look here in the
Back
higher
in
time
the-
frames, you've just gone back into the range now.
Yeah.
As much as you're rejecting, for now, we're in a range. So there's not much that can really happen after that.
Just the gold, Chad. What are we doing here with gold?
Bro, gold is...
Gold is an animal, my dude. Love. Look, it is going to be a training day. If we hold above daily R2 now, it's going to be a monster training day. But again now, gold is setting up 3 minutes before the PMIs, level 3 news. So 2870, that's your daily R2. After that, we've got 2875. So I might take a rip at gold, yeah.
Bro, boys, going for it. I'm watching USD, bro. Once this news comes out, I might take some of that USD. But I just want to see what's going to happen here with that news.
Okay, Chad, here's my idea. Here's my idea with the news. This for me is the corrective, let's call it ABC 1, 2, 3 pullback. This is showing me the impulse leg potentially to go up for the next leg. We already know it's a training day. We're holding above daily R1. We're now above daily R2. If news comes out in the next 2 minutes and first creates a bottom wick and it drives into the daily R2 and then flips bullish, that is going to be my my trade. If it just breaks the highs and runs, that is gold done for the day for me. I'm not gonna get body slammed by it then. So that is my idea on the 30. The 30 is closing in 1 minute. 50. There's your round number 2870. GJ is cooked for me. The idea was there for the guys that executed on there. Well played. And then secondly is GU, if it can hold above the daily R1. Otherwise this thing is also cooked. And then Nasdaq, if we can get some type of either bullish engulfing on the 5, first taking the low there and then closing back above Asia range, then I would consider the buy still to be valid. And then US 30 just shitting the bed completely here. So you might see this now with gold, with US 30. Take that London low, and then trade back in the range and just chop for the rest of the day. So we'll see 50 seconds, but I'm gonna shift my focus over to gold.
Hey guys, so USD, that's the thing. We had that little bearish move now, perfect retest of the EQ. So that's just, I just want to see what this market's gonna do now with that news event. I'm very happy to take a rip at it maybe after this. Bro, to think of it, eh? Gold has nearly done $100 in 2 days. Gold is on a whole nother ball game, bro.
Bro, gold is on a different planet to the rest of the world.
Like,
gold is.
When I started trading, $2 on gold was a good move.
Bro, $5 you were swinging gold.
Like,
you were swinging trading.
Now in 2 days.
Oh shit!
Woo.
Whoa shit! Straight
What did
up.
it come out as?
I think it missed.
It missed.
Big miss. I think it's a big.
52.8.
0.67. Okay, that's a miss, Chad. There's gold. Gold destroying dreams again, yeah. GU. Alright, let's check GU.
I'm gonna wait here,
GJ.
guys. I might take another shot on USD.
Okay, remember the greedy targets I told you on GJ 191. That liquidity 100% going to get swiped. There she goes. There was your greedy targets. How's the spread on this? Oh, not bad. Yeah, almost there. It will definitely spike these lows, guys. These lows were just too clean. 191. Boom. There, 191 clapped. Nice. Sheesh. Oh, Nasdaq.
What's Nasdaq?
Nasdaq actually held on the 5 there.
Yeah, so for me, USD, guys, my idea is I still like the shorts. Now that we had that test of that level of support which broke and now holding its resistance, if this breaks underneath Asia lows, and we can most likely go for the EQ, because then the EQ's been tested multiple times today, more than likely gonna break, then I think the shorts are on here for me. But if this can break and hold back above, then I'd even consider the long. So this is purely now like price action is what I want to look at now.
Beautiful. GJ. How much would that have been for me? Not
Is
really
this
a
the
lot.
trade you were break even on today?
The GJ trade?
Yeah.
That is the one I missed at the start of the stream when I waited for my terminal to open up the breaks. GU we took our 1-to-1.
It's the market makers, they're watching you.
Nah, I think it's just me being cuck, my dude. I think it's me just being ridiculously shit at trading this week. Now, Chad, honestly, you need to be focused when you're trying to hit these break evens. Some people think you hit break evens by mistake. It's an actual art. But GJ, yeah, very, very nice. Just for me, for the guys that don't know, we shared, go and watch this morning's analysis. We shared the entire theory behind this. Asia being an expansion, London being the correction. Project G members, you know all about it. There's a section on this in the Discord. And then NYSE following that move there. Okay, so that is the idea. It doesn't always work textbook like this, but the reason why I believed it could work was due to these equal lows here. That was my reason for it. Those equal lows. A lot of...
I was waiting for this 5. If that 5 just closed there nicely, I was going to go for it. But now it's starting to run already.
I don't want to go to you, Keegs.
Flip's sakes.
So even if you didn't take the trade, there's a little concept you can add to your trading toolbox. As just absolutely punishing the lads. Yeah. Sheesh. US 30.
We left this out there, bro. Flippin' hell.
US 30.
Bad decisions were made, bro.
GJ absolutely shitting the bed. Almost 80 pips down from where our entry would have been. Bro, I think it's been 5 years since I've taken a 100 pip trade. Literally.
Was it the start of this year or the end of last year when I did that 150 pip trade?
On gold.
No, it was US 30, I think it was. Where we
Oh, on
were
the
like,
stream.
We manifested it.
yeah. No, it was last year.
Because I wanted 180 and then we negotiated to 150.
Bro, December I was up 380 on that trade I sent you. That got break even when I still said 550 is 550.
Yes.
You remember? That was up 380.
Oh, yeah. My boy made some bad decisions there. Some bad decisions were made.
But luckily we can see the market. Keegs, I told you, I'm a man of humble beginnings. I like to I don't want to change, dude. I just want to remain humble. Imagine if I secure all of these bags. I don't want the success to defile me. So I stay humble. I stay part of the chat, part of the community.
I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. We love the commitment.
Chad, imagine I had to lock in the bags on all these 50 lot 100 pip trades. You guys won't catch me on stream. That's why I want to be here. Oh, Chad, this week has been absolutely up and down. It's been an emotional roller coaster with these trades.
This was all character building, guys. That's what it was.
Are you up for the week? I think you break even as well.
Break even.
Break even. Yeah.
Break even. This trade today made me break even.
I was up. I was break even after this morning's GU trade, and then I was like, I'm not happy with break even. I want to be down 1 hour.
You know, bro, I'll take it because just statistically, an NFP week normally
We are
destroys me, bro.
I don't know why we never learn.
We will be annihilated NFP week and then clap NFP. But the whole week we get nailed.
Bro, I don't know why we do it to ourselves. Every time we like,
Oh, let's go trade NFP. And then it like mutilates us.
bro, but I'm done. I'm cooked here. GJ is absolutely breaking my heart. A little bit hesitant there with opening up my terminal, but lessons learned. Some hard lessons learned here. I think, Kicks, can we quickly go to the leaderboard here?
Yeah, bro, we haven't actually looked at it yet.
Chat, just see what the 105. Okay, I believe there were 2 guys in the hundreds. There's now only 1.
Yeah, there were 2 guys, yeah.
Then second place is our gentleman from Nigeria, Shirubem 77. Siabonga GU 77.45. Holy smokes. These lads are not playing games here, Chad. These guys are absolutely mauling it. Wait. Bro's our internet down.
Internet.
Wait, let me just log in again. I think it timed out on my side. Chat, are we still live? Chris, activate your windows. Never. Never.
Bro, you know what irritates me, okay?
I will never activate it.
This is something that irritated me the other day.
Why must
When
I
I
activate
got
it?
when I got my PC,
It
was activated.
Yeah, and then you updated it.
I did an update when they replaced everything. Now it's not updated. They have to put the product key. But they put the product key in. They sent it to me activated. So I don't have the product key. So now it's like I can't. Like now I'm also sitting there like activate Windows. This is a Windows that was paid for, activated, but they did it for me. So I don't have the product key.
Is it free to activate your windows? No way. I can't believe it's free.
It's not free. I have to pay for it.
Go to settings. Wait, let's check here.
Hold on, because even this PC is not activated.
Don't let them see your IP. There's some naughty guys here in the chat.
Okay, wait. Hold
Okay,
on.
go to settings to activate Windows. Activate now. Let's check. Nah, bro, you're lying. It is very free. Don't do it. It's a trap. Keeks, don't let these guys talk about bias and stuff. They will wreck you, my god. Don't trust these guys. Now it says not active.
Okay, yeah.
Windows
Activate now. Not active. Errors report that the product key there was no product key found on your device. Error code. And this is the office PC. This is not my one at home. Yeah.
Oh, you have to go to the
Trust
store.
me, you're
Okay.
doing it wrong. Your key might be in the BIOS. Try. Alright.
3,300 gigs. I'll never do it. Bro, but why do I need to activate it? Just to remove the watermark? Chat, is that it? Do I pay?
Is that it?
No, but I'm honestly asking. Am I gonna pay basic 3,300 rand just to remove the watermark?
Pretty much, bro.
Is that what you're telling me?
That's just it, bro. I had to pay.
I don't know.
That was part of when my PC was built, not your own. That's just it. I paid for it. And then now when it is updates, it's now asking for the product key again, and I didn't have it. So I will never in my life pay for Windows again.
Chad, if you enter GJ and you didn't close it,
Okay, guys, just saying with your study, I wanted to have that little bit of a bar, but you would have already been break even on it. Back at the EQ now. But yeah, I won't take another trade from there, guys. And then it's just, yeah, I won't take it from there. And I'm not going to do something stupid 2 days ahead of NFP. I'm back at break even. I'm not going to do anything unnecessary. Key is allocated to the user of the Microsoft account. So where would I find it though?
they're gonna hack it, dude. They're gonna hack, dude. The chat is naughty, dude.
I'm not giving you guys
No,
my details.
they're gonna go like, Keeks, quickly go into your console and then go / lock into. Nah. Yes, the chat. I know the chat. I don't want
Okay,
to.
whoa, Ryan, bro. I know you, Ryan. So like, I know we know each other. But bro, this literally looks like a scam. Use he sent me a DM.
Yeah.
Because I know Ryan. I've seen like we've hanged out in person.
Use
but
this
like
code to get
use
free
this script
Windows.
to activate your Windows. It's safe and tested by all computer nerds. And then it's like discord.com channels at me 1281. And it's like and that just looks like the typical thing you click on to get hacked.
Nah, bro, I like that watermark. I would feel out of place if I don't have the watermark, Keeks. Because the thing is, it always reminds me to activate the windows. Nah, bro, I'm not active. Are you gonna activate your windows?
Nah.
Bro, I'm even gonna download Windows 11 and not even
You know
activate
the part that the only time I will say it irritates me is when I'm gaming.
Bro, I don't even see it.
Bro, I swear,
It's
I
part of
swear
me.
in the past,
Dude, it's part of me.
it never used to show up when I gamed. But all of a sudden now I always see it when I'm gaming.
Oh, okay, but bro, I'm
I
honest now.
swear
Chat.
it used to be behind your
Keep-
games,
yeah,
but now when
yeah,
you
yeah.
game, it's even on top of your games.
So now what they do for the guys that play data, they actually scramble that section of your screen. So they chalk your actual in-game. They're like, you son of a
see.
gun, you don't want to pay. Taste a little bit of this. No, never crack Windows. No, I won't crack anything.
No, but that's what I'm saying, bro. It's like,
I
swear it used to be like if you played games, you wouldn't like show where now it does. And that irritates the hell out of me now. Like every time like I'm trying to reload, like I quickly glance to see how much ammo I have and I'm like, activate Windows. And I'm like, what the hell?
Keeks, will you ever activate Windows? Be honest, you don't have to lie. Okay.
No, bro.
I'm happy with that.
I never used to.
Dude.
I won't even lie. I always used to download the cracked versions.
Yeah.
Then when I did this PC build, I was like, you know what, let me be a good Samaritan. And I bought Windows as a product. And like I say, I still got screwed. So
Bro, but
screw them
Lawrence,
and I won't buy it again.
Lawrence, DM us. Help us. Help us to help us. Help you, my brother. Lawrence, if you help me and Keeks with Windows, we'll give you 2 months free. Keeks, that's fair. 2 months. Project G, 2 months. Lawrence, 2 months
You should
free.
message EveTech if you bought it from them, Keegs. I didn't. I don't know where the PC actually I think originally came from. But then I did a second round of upgrades. And those upgrades were all done at Kloppers.
No, Lawrence, I'm terrible on Discord. There's like 400 message requests. Like, that's a dungeon.
Yeah, Discord's a bit hard.
Whew, that's a dungeon I don't even go into.
Won't
if
even
you-
lie about that one.
Yeah, I don't even know how you get that many message requests.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Does it have a year limit now? Nah, bro. Okay, don't worry, Lawrence. A year limit.
Yeah, then that's like.
Okay, no, Lawrence. Maybe we need to. maybe we do it, Keeks. If Lawrence can help us here. Lawrence, what was that site we always bought our Windows? Chat, I wasn't always on Activate Windows. Lawrence, there was a OEM site, a company that basically bought in bulk from Microsoft and they resold it. So all of the software, so it's legitimate, but they buy it almost in bulk, like bulk packages, and they resell it. Can't remember what the shop or what the store was called. CJS Keys. No, it was called something OEM. CJS Keys. This already looks. Okay, CJS Keys. Let's check here. Windows. Keys, are we going to go Windows 11, my brother? Damn, £10 for Windows 11 Professional. Is that legit, Lawrence? No, you don't fees PayPal. Bro, it looks shady, eh? I'm not gonna lie. First purchase a genuine Windows 11 CD key. Center, you can review on there. Yes, legit. Okay, there we go, Keeks. I'm gonna send it to you as well, eh? Bro, we can do £10. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's
I
be
don't think he
honest.
did send me a thing as well, a link for us to try.
Bro, we can. Is it CJS?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, I'm sending it to gigs. But how do they see we are not activated?
I think yours. Mine you can see a little bit there in the corner. But I think yours is more clear. You know, bro, when I look at this, I was always like, these are the trades. You're like, no, don't. Oh, bro, did you see? It's all about the small wins today. They fixed this. Check it.
Wait.
Look at that. Look at that, Chad. No more dragging my TP and stop
Did
loss.
they fix it?
They fixed it, bro.
They didn't fix
Look
mine.
at that, Chad. Check.
No,
I'm going to do it
no.
again. Check entry. Bang. Look at that.
Nah, bro, it's because you. No. Mine isn't
Check.
fixed,
Okay.
dude.
There's a sell.
What?
Sell. Bang. Same thing.
Bro,
They
it's-
finally fixed it. It's all about the small wins, Chad.
They didn't fix it.
They did fix
Bro,
it. Check.
mine
They
isn't
even say in
fixed.
there.
But why is mine not fixed? Let me start again. Nah, Chad, this is BS if mine is not fixed. Right? Let me get back in here.
It works, bro. I promise you. Have you updated it yet?
How do you mean update?
There was an update.
It's a web application. Are you talking shit here? Let me see here. Bro, it isn't fixed.
Bro, are you not watching my screen?
Dude.
I promise you it's
You've
fixed.
got it. It's not fixed. I'm gonna show you now. Let me check here. Oh, it is fixed. You're right. Okay.
Chad, we had to
Okay,
go around in that circle for 10
okay,
minutes for him
okay,
to
okay.
realize it's fixed.
I had to refresh. Beautiful. That is a win. I'm not gonna lie. That for me is a major win. Yes, dude. I feel like they were like fooling around with us. Yeah.
Chad, we got there in the end. But back to my original story was, you know, this is a typical trader's life. When you're like, you know what, I'm not going to be greedy. This is the perfect trade, but I'm not going to take it because I've already had my TP for the day. You don't take it, and then you have zero stop loss. It just goes to TP. Like, come on, Chad. Who else going to agree with me? That is your typical...
And then tomorrow you're gonna be like,
You're going to see it again,
Yesterday.
and it's going to be immediate drawdown.
yesterday it worked. Today I'm gonna try it, and then you're gonna get
The easiest
your
1 to 3
ass
right there.
handed to you.
Oh,
Getting absolutely wrecked. Chad, okay, I'm honest. Chad, real talk now. If you are still trying to short gold, just be honest with me. Drop a 1 in the chat. If you are still one of the guys trying to short gold, just drop a 1. This is a safe place. This is a safe zone. We all family here. We all love one another. As the Bible says, love thy neighbor as you love yourself. Just drop a 1. Drop a 1 in the chat. We are gonna help you guys. I just want to see who it is. Again, not gonna joke or anything. This is real chat. Drop 1 in the chat if you have been shorting gold. Just check me. Let's just see here. All right. Okay. If you did short gold and you're sitting there at home and you're watching the stream,
got it fixed for us, bro.
okay.
I got it fixed for us.
There we go. Anyone selling gold? There we go. All right. Dylan Savage, he will be praying for you guys. Honestly. But yeah, we still love you guys.
We don't judge.
We still love you guys. Stick around. You will learn quite a bit. Maybe we don't know everything, but we know enough not to get completely mauled by the market. So, all right. A fix for Windows 11.
Yeah,
CJ skis.
better.
Hey, Frana W. This is for Frana chat.
But bro, I think we
Yeah, I don't know
actually
what we're
call
still
it.
doing
We can
here.
add
It's
it.
like you wanna,
call it a little bit earlier than yesterday.
bro. You wanna make some bad decisions here.
Hey bro, I'm back to break even now. I need to stay that way or go into profits. I did the bottom wick. Now we need the top
Keeks,
wick.
let's quickly get some logistics out of the way here. Let's
Alright.
talk about Friday quickly.
Yeah, guys.
And tomorrow's Chad. Tomorrow's Keegan's birthday. Please blow up his Instagram. The man is turning 34, if I'm not mistaken. I'm kidding, Chad. I'm kidding. I know you would think that looking at his hairline, but he's solid as well.
PPs are getting rough out here, guys.
I'm kidding. But it is Keegan's birthday tomorrow, Chad. So I said, Keegs, it is your birthday. I'll stand in for the NYSE stream. Keegs said no, he's going to do the NYSE stream. And then on Friday, I've got my mom's birthday, so me and Keegan will run FFB. Then after that, I'm going to be leaving. Keegs will be trading NFP with the gents.
With the team,
and
yeah.
then no stream on Friday afternoon.
Yeah, the thing
Or
is,
are you
guys,
streaming?
the thing is, guys, I don't want to be like. We'll see how we feel. If we do a stream, it will be a very short stream, like from like 4 o'clock to even just before 5, like quarter to 10 to already, because obviously I take the cracker that's very in and out and stuff. And I mean, as I say, purely NFP we'll see. So if you guys see, I'll let you guys know on the day. If you see we've structured it and we said, hey, it's scheduled, we're doing a New York stream, then it's there. If it's not scheduled, we're not going to do it. I think it's purely just to get
So
the
you're saying it's
celebration
based on
started.
feeling and
Yeah.
how much you have to drink tomorrow night. Is that what you're saying?
Nah, I'm not going to go hard tomorrow
Okay.
night. But the weekend starting early, so we're going to see, Chad. But we can go full screens then.
All right, full screens.
Yeah, guys. So at least, as I said, back to break even. Some nice trades there we wanted, but we didn't execute on. But hey, that's part of it. At least we're not down and out. Chris, any closing remarks from you, bro?
No, Keegs, I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, Chad. But yeah, same time, same place tomorrow as always, Chad. And hopefully we bring those TBs back, getting to the end of this NFP week. It's been rough, but maybe for the first time we can finish this NFP week off completely strong. But otherwise, as always, Chad, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.